This one is called Ink Stain in the Rain. The cruel wind scrapes and rapes the soft, supple satin drapes in the cave of evening shade. Under gunmetal sky, cracked, splintered, and dry, we play our tragic masquerade. On the mantle of doom and foreboding gloom, where we reach for this dream we are chasing. We can't quite grasp enough of it, just a quick silver touch of it. This dream daughter time is erasing. Then I feel your heart slip, so I tighten my grip on the trembling lip of this storm. Your body's a shiver, a fast-running river, and I can't seem to keep myself warm. Engulfed by the ocean and fading emotion, you let go of my hand. Tide sweeps you away, but bids my heart stay. Nothing is as we planned. Waves wash me ashore, lips parched evermore, never to taste yours again. Love, letters, and pain left out in the rain became a fading ink stain. Days, now without sun, the moons come undone, and I've become the rain. Thanks, everybody. Now I'll turn it over to Ken.
Wow.